Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Mame. Na nipa nanka one na eba no wa lock it up in a meeting. Enti na yene no twetwe nkomo kakra ewo ahoma so. Honorable Kwesi Obinfosu Deputy Education Ministry PRO. Kwesi awia ma han.
Enya ba me joso na mo ye de.
Nyame adom ne ehwe wanim senka ba be kan sa wa ha.
We dem fan che me dwumade bi wo be bi foforo a na me se me ko body te wa baba me wi ntem ti na ma ba.
Okay. Yo, definitely. Yeah, a general overview of manifestos me both MPP and NDC side. No de la wakwanya bia fa ho a eti ye je so wadwenche NPP general overview of my manifesto 2020.
Yo, mame na sa menchi ali FM TF we wi. But is the la kikemu ka friends in ade. Na de la bisan ma me de la president no no ti ase de. Ade ina mu sie nyeli. Mu sie ade kwa enti ni. Mame kuma friends ma ye. Nya de obi.
Me ba cho ye ma free senior high school ni ye ma education sector ne so. Ye beba so na ye pe ye ma so but ye pe general overview of manifesto no both and I say all sectors EFA, agric, EFA, education body because ye be discussing no ye de no be kun ko ho kakransa EFA health, EFA infrastructure, ene niema hodo a manifesto no eka ho asem ye read the general overview and sana ya be specifics about education side.
Oh, okay. That means education. Now, so the education na yeah, boss. We my PR for education there. Education na yeah can one thing. But I can't make my car far. Yeah, the kids on can you can't near you. We have always said the cat regulatory there. There's the ma everton. Na ya Jesus say the be ya say oh yeah who decide you mana obedi mra so. Na ni na no yeah sorry to prove that me do this. Yes, I want a man out for me to send up a former president. Or do Sremu no Kada for no. Also, also Kada business no. Also regulate. The Sani policy in India, and there's a I was saying, yeah, you question, Sakani, a master Amberson. But a woman or seven. Now, what we now say about an one part of the there's an implementation for our canon. It is not a question of the first wire car. The need is so much. But I can't start to look at it because you want to have no opportunity for. It's also capitalized no every victory over. And anyway, but you regulate here, Momuja. I didn't know about the Semra. Now, who's Semra? People know, and who can in us also here. Who regulate Okada? One, insurance or cano, everybody with a cost. Of a road waiting. That's a number of taxes near the regulate you. As a police, police as well taxes, police as well over there. They just regulate Okada and police for how movie. And then they say. Moreover, Okada for Mukobe now, in class in the BBA, or Johnson. Police even a quarter how Okada. But your area is beyond Maudio Okada because of the traffic situation, because of how congested the area is, because of accidents that take in the it's in a case, Honomo dear, who regulate here. It's about regulate here, but you have the other regulation in Aya Juma, a baby. Number other areas, in cinema, prepare for other areas. But I can't make up for Okada anyway.
Oh, okay. Okay. And then bacho edu education is so ebeba onase na before I be konompo mame bibi kakra about NPP bosha hodo a mo share year 2016 concerning more education sector no makasa bebre ene ade ebi ohono mo a ye mo keka ye no enipa bi asori abi raise issues on it mo kan bibi ese Bobeshe na more encourage colleges of education to update their curricula to ensure they produce graduates that will teach the well-equipped and critical thinking population we need to move the country forward. Ana mo atwa no brofoka semo. Na no mo se mo achieve. Kwan be na mo fa so a mo achieve is ade.
Ma me ma eno kra de simple kra. What was the college education no? The minute the line na ko the say my set A. Na set A no uwi a you know, but yeah, you will say now. And son of what for a diploma by distance. And here for 3 years, who will diploma now. And son of what for a degree. And also for 2 years, and also by distance. After 2 years, 38 for 3 years. Now the 8 years and then degree. And you can say, look, in China, because they are for no movie. Our monocle university, 4 years of an degree. And then also be our training college and our cultural education, every 8 years degree. You know, I was saying if you found near the end, we were at Dr. Matuku, the Minister of Car said, certificate credit court training colleges. Anybody here says, oh, because I'm a colleague and I'm a cortex, the man tech and I'm a yellow go, I'm a training college. Now, the other Dima teacher for one of the man. There was a moment to see a demon. Now, Obama so a teacher, you know, the show Manadia. Not that they're not here. And now, also the captain is calling the demon. If you're better, and they say, a diploma. A diploma is awarded in institution. And you can say, also, we are so that way this time. That's how we did this time. Once the teacher, you know, or the classroom, then I get Taiwan, I want to say, because on the school, maybe about assignment, or the classroom, or so many person. It's a more much teaching and learning and course. As I assume absenteeism, teacher absenteeism rate to the course. But they be a teacher in that view of one thing. And Dr. Matuku Becker says, Sadia, you have good teaching training colleges, no? You change your curriculum, no? You have specialization in learning. So, for early childhood, over out early childhood. Who can basic, about basic, who has secondary and after about it. And she's starting now, no? People who baby, you know, now Okra degree because I'll call it for 4 years. Or maybe I'll know a degree, or starting as a graduate teacher, or starting as principal superintendent, that's the pay point. And then, I want one. Curriculum should everybody because curriculum now say meeting new curriculum I have basic schools now. The standardized based curriculum now say meeting. It's a standard based curriculum there. And they just training college, of course, we have old objective curriculum. That's something you know. It's a nation because we're training college. Not Katana, it's a new. Not Kata or no one Katano. I don't know the pet and of training college because qualification required. And convert with their cortex, convert with their polygon, but on all to them with the training college. Yes, the kind of or the quality of teachers are about. Yes, they are improving better than the first day in Yano. Because education, they use a static free. Tabiano. Moreover, open my mind, the bear. Omo wuche elita do omo wuche keji ni ade no e PhD o de na de na ha de akoye so obi ko ba bia na mi na ba me no nyina yenim no me ko training college bi mi ni de bre na o honom de but anya de o pe no o pe ntema wie akope pipu fo bi aye but na say entita because nipa ne kwa qualification de kwa ye no edimu e to person odi teacher ti no kwa ye kana ya ye o training college no moreover no bo say ye be restore teacher training allowance me ni o ka say ya restore e ti bo say e ba college education there. Never can say there no there. This is an acronym. Edit people want to say a crowd college of education sector on.
Mati wa ha say na baako bi eno so twetwe maso kakra eno so no nipa bi ye protest kakra e wo ho say mobile restore book and research allowances e de ama lecturers na mo ka say nyese mo restore kwa na mum no masa increasing by 200%. Na person bi say some book and research allowance no ye twemu kra
so be kaya demonstration ta ye nya from tertiary sector ni nya na about book and research allowance demonstrations ni tertiary sector ta lectures nya je na about book and research allowance me ni ka say ye increasing by 20% na wa say ya be restore ya ade no ya ade o dada ade ti ya be restore na since the manifesto about ya restore book and research allowance what is the lecture be about again further apart from NDC for your Mutoma Fire Pastor and General Friend. What is the lecture about Abacato? What is the lecture about Abacato? They are 200%. It's here, no crack, you will manifest some time here.
Book and research allowance. My young Ishomuka Krebina, dear Madriana said, many Akobosono, Ochemu said, Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, and Minister of Education Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, Womwan Kasa Ekaye, ya Womuchemu said, sa book and research allowance no yentwem sene ya no wo ka say NDC abandada otwam no wo mo entwem sa no maka say maba be restore na momo no me o say
na ekode titi se u the teachers agite people bi dia e da de no mu sanka enya de omunya e di ade na ekode a enka u teachers agitations never form tertiary bodies no
no more can say me patcho me ba in the year 2013 and womo ye say womo be review sa book and research allowance no na omo DBB a friend National Research Fund bi womo e dia ba na no na University Teachers Association of Ghana UTAG and at that time OTAG womo sorry I said there be womo empene sa nanso no 2015-2016 academic year no book and research allowance womo etua mampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama etuaye sade munim
you only make almost say oh 2013
and me say 2015-2016 academic year book and research allowance was paid an amount of 37 million Ghana cedis and you release the mark controller and accountant general department say on for and settle say some information mo ya where
2015-2016 the date been really here. What did you hear the mark for parliament about book and research allowance? Where are we? The idea is here. So more review. No more review and that's it. Review. If you mention here, I didn't no more review no. Put your hold on it. No more review. No my idea so more than that. Yeah, buy and the better than and what is yeah.
No, oh my god to move for how long?
From 2030 au 2016 I don't think about mutaka allowance. And ya no mutaka.
Enti mobile no me pacho mobile no mo betua enfidudu osan na akam na betua.
Ya be restore their also mutaka ya be restore.
With concerning
ya touch about betua rest. Ya be restore ya dey ni ho. It be ya be start here and ya tua. And ya start to 200%. It's not really about the cat. Maybe you're on an enemy. I don't know what teachers in America. I don't know Mutaka, Umrameka, no Mutaka. It's a buy in your very store, you know. I mean, I start to, and when you cry, it's a lecture, I don't catch up.
Okay. It's a say, Isa.
Who's here or ha? Actually, Punk no. Needs FM.